Hello tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We're looking at a Rhaphis Palm screen. This is quite unusual. You hardly ever see these anymore. Rhaphis Palm can be a bit invasive, which means it travels on its own accord. At one time, this whole screen might have been a single plant, but if left alone, it will do this. It's not a bad thing, it's just what it is. But look how thick and impenetrable that Rhaphis palm screen is. I can assure you they do not see their neighbor, neither does their neighbor see them. There's no thorns on this plant. It's very easy to maintain. It will grow all by itself. We can get these for you. If you like it, give us a call and we'll get them.